So I tell her never trust me. Never trust the kid. I took his thing now, he probably wanna touch me. Pussy, why you mad at me?
Yo, boys, Abdul, Yasir, and Mahad. Together we are the Army Kids. So today, guys, we are doing 5-second challenge. This 5-second challenge is challenge ambayo I will ask them questions and they have to answer me in 5 seconds. Abdul, kama hajui hiyo question, Yasin atampiga. Na same as to Yasin. Kama Yasin hajui, Abdul atampiga. So kama wote hawajui, tawapiga. Tena apiga hapo. Haona? Apiga hapo. Sasa, let's start our challenge here. So my first question is,
who's gonna go first?
First, we'll go first.
Oh, this one.
Nani?
So let me go.
I'm telling you, like, name for me 5 countries that start with the name of A.
A. Australia.
One.
Australia. Hey man. Australia.
5.
Wait, you have to answer. You have to answer.
No. Yeah, 5.
No, you have to answer.
Name for me 3 countries.
Same question.
Wacha taje
Australia, Austria, and America.
I
was
was like USA, bro. Bro.
Mbona unapiga hivyo? Acha kumwonea huruma, acha. Yasin, your turn. Name for me 3 teams in Serie A.
Fiorentina, Spal, Juventus.
Spal team.
Yes.
Yeah. So, Yasin, you are safe. Alright. Abdul, name for me 3 girls that Yasin dated.
Skip the question. Skip.
Never, Abdul. If you don't answer,
the girls must be watching
Watch
Ex is watching.
Story yake. Answer.
I know. Oh man.
Okay, just say.
Just say like the letter.
There is S. There is another S also.
Yes. Triple S. How not triple S?
No, there's.
And
You never need to do mobile, bro.
and I'll answer.
Which end?
Oh, sawa. Tanya nani sasa? La wacha tu. Yasin. Yasin start, right?
Yeah.
Yasin. Name for me 3 teams that won Premier League.
The last?
3, the last 3 teams that won the Premier League.
City, Chelsea, Leicester.
And Yasin, Abdi stand, right? Abdi, nitajie 3 presidents of Australia.
Oh man, I never do history, bro.
Yasin.
Abdullah Farmani.
Keri basi, wacha ni hapa.
Hapa ni Roma, bro.
Weka vizuri. Sikumizi, weka vizuri. Yasin.
Najua alama, bro.
Haina shida.
Kula yeye.
Abdul.
Yasin na.
Yasin sio? Ulikuwa unamuulizana?
Mimi ndo nimekosa.
Sasa Yasin, name for me 3 teams in League One.
League One in which country?
France.
Nanes.
Yes,
Nanes.
Nanes, hakuna Nanes, bro.
Nanes you.
Nonsense, bro.
Nonsense.
5 seconds imeisha.
Shaisha. Kuna Paris. Wapi mwanzo? France.
France.
Paris, Metz. Kuna Brest.
Basi toa.
Sasa kwa sana. Sasa kutkana khul qana yora.
Sorry guys, our camera went off, so let's continue.
Mimi ndo nilikuwa nampiga sio?
Sasa tulikuwa wapi? Wewe tumeangalia footage. Sasa wewe ndio ulikuwa.
Umekosa ile swali. What was the question also?
Acha tu. Utamlipiza bado question moja tu.
Yako utanipata baba. Toa mkono.
Yasin weka vizuri. Yasin weka vizuri. Check.
Ngoto.
Ni kama napiga.
Turegelee. No. Thank you guys. This is our video, and we are going to make more videos. And please, you make sure you subscribe.
Every Sunday.
Like every Sunday, we will be uploading new video. So you make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, and please
make
share
to share with your friends
and like show them our videos. And make sure you follow our socials, and it will be down in the
description.
description. Make sure.
Thank you.